First and
Mhm,
foremost, I would like to highlight is just our connection rate. Right now, spam
mm,
rate, especially in the insurance industry, as you know firsthand, is at an all-time high. I believe the average is about 30 to 40% spam. So that
mhm,
means out of 100 calls you're making, 30 of them are popping up as spam. It's tough. It's
right.
really brutal, especially when you're trying to get sales. What we've done at Kixie, we're actually to combat that, and we're clocking in just around 8%, 8.5 spam rate. We do that via our connection boost or local presence feature. And it's different than the way other companies utilize that tool because we actually manually track each number in that pool. And anytime AT&T, Verizon, or T-Mobile flags it as spam, we delete that number by the end of the week and replace it with a fresh number from the area code just to ensure that it's going to be coming up as clean as possible. A lot of companies promise this, but they don't actually deliver. And so
Mhm.
that's one thing I'm very proud to say that we do deliver because we do care about our clients, just like you. And it's awesome just to see people's reactions when you get a call after they're on trial period and like, I haven't had this many connections in my whole life. And it just feels really, really good.
Man, it's such an important piece, right? This